Alright, I wanted to show you this unit when it's up and prepared to go. Here's the remote. It has 3 buttons. This is the power button. You press it once for LO1, twice for a higher setting. Here's a timer button, and this is the sterilization button. And it puts on the light on the right on the sterilization. There are also units or buttons on the unit itself. This is what it does. Pops up with air. And it hangs from a hook or your shower bar. It zips right here. It has a zipper, goes all the way around. Really a genius thing. And when you press off, it goes off, and then it takes a little bit of time. I think it cools down before it shuts off. And it does eventually shut itself down. Very useful. Very useful indeed. And compact, it fits inside it. All this fits inside of a